Hello students, let us read this question. A spherical glass vessel has a cylindrical neck 8 centimeter long and 2 centimeter in diameter. The diameter of the spherical part is 8.5 centimeter. By measuring the amount of water it holds, a child finds its volume to be 345 centimeter cube. Check whether she is correct, taking the above as inside measurement and pi equals to 3.14. So we have given that we have a spherical glass vessel and the neck of the spherical glass vessel is a cylindrical. So we can say that this will be our spherical glass vessel, and we have given that the diameter is 2 centimeter long and height of the cylinder is 8 centimeter. We have given the diameter of spherical part is 8.5 centimeter. So volume of vessel will be equal to volume of cone, volume of cylinder plus volume of sphere. So let us first find out volume of sphere. So it is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So this will be 4 upon 3, 3.14 into height is radius is 8 point diameter is 8.5, so radius will be 4.25 and cube of that. So if we calculate this, it comes out to be 321.39 centimeter cube. Now find out the volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. So this will be 3.14 into 3.14 into diameter is 2, so radius will be 1 and height we have given as 8. So this comes out to be 25.12 centimeter cube. So therefore the volume of vessel will be the volume of sphere, which is 321.39 plus volume of cylinder, which is 12.12. So it comes out to be 346.51 centimeter cube. But we have given that a child has measured volume to be 345 centimeter cube. But we have found out it as 346.51. So therefore, we can say that measurement of the child was incorrect. The correct volume is 346.51 centimeter cube. So in this question, we have used the concept of volume of cylinder and sphere to find out the volume of a spherical vessel. So I hope you have understood it well, and thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.